afternoon, evening, however it is with you. This is Mama Rochelle's kitchen. I told you on Friday that I'm making some pickles today, so let me show you what I do. First of all, I put pickles, you drain the pickles, you put them in buttermilk for at least 30 minutes. So these have been cooked and drained for a little bit more than 30 minutes. You can use store-bought buttermilk, but I made my buttermilk with some milk and apple cider vinegar. Can't drink that though, you can drink the buttermilk from the store. You drain the pickles. While I'm getting the pickles drained, you take a cup of flour, a half a cup of cornmeal, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, and then just get your hands in here, mix this all up. Things just disappear in this house.
We need 3.
That's good. You take the pickles, get them good and covered in your mixture. I'm doing one at a time right now. Make sure that they get good and covered. As soon as my grease and my oil getting all good, I can't reach that. You're gonna have to come over there and fry it, because even with this, I'm not tall enough. Sorry about that. My nose is running a little. Allergies are terrible in Florida. Is it ready? It's ready.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay, here. You put them in the fryer. Okay, I'm starting to take more than one. Make sure you take off the excess flour mixture. Yeah, plate. Well, I guess we got the thing.
fork. You need a fork.
As you're frying, you need to like make sure that everything gets covered. Like you have to turn them sometimes. First batch always comes out a little worse for the wear. You just keep going through all the pickles. Go ahead and try, Raj.
Oh, hot.
Sorry about that, my house phone is ringing.
They're good. Yeah, good.
No, I'm just gonna let Roger taste. And
They're good.
they're good? How good are they? On a
Excellent.
scale of 1 to 10.
25.
Wow. If you're gluten-free, by the way, you can use some cornmeal and paleo flour or almond flour and it'll work just fine. Well, have a good rest of the evening. This is Danielle signing off from Rochelle's Kitchen. Have a God bless day. And I'll probably get back on as soon as possible once we're dealing with this cancer and everything. But have a good evening. See you next time. Love y'all. Bye-bye.